Hey guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and assembling an 8-foot obelisk graven bones tombstone from Home Depot. Go ahead and get it unboxed. The box says it weighs about 40 pounds and it's going to be 8 foot tall. So my skeleton is 6.5 foot tall, so it's going to be, should be pretty big. This will be a good addition to the cemetery this year. Have the base. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's packaged in here like a bunch of nesting dolls inside each other. But the base part, the main base, is huge. Wow. Instructions in here. Should have a metal pole that goes through the top of it. There's the top piece. You get everything set out here. Looks to be pretty simple to put together. Take a look in the box to see if I can actually find the frame. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm looking for. Make sure there's nothing else in here that I'm missing. No, that's all of that. Let's get this out of the way. So including the base piece, looks like 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I already see a problem. That is actually broken. Straight out of the box. I have to check all these other pieces also. Go ahead and get this frame part opened up. It does come with some ground nails that'll nail in through the base to help support it on the ground. I've lost. Oh, it's right here in front of me. Move this out of our way. So this puts together pretty similar to the skull archway that I have. Each little piece sits on top of each other through the pole here. Let's see which goes first. This right here goes on top of this and snaps down. See if there's any special way it needs to be locked. No. Okay. So this is the front facing. Each piece is marked with which way it should be facing. It should just sit down right on top. And over the top of that little cap. There we go. Now in section C. This is the piece that's busted right here. Push it down on top of it like so. Pretty simple to assemble. Not real happy that it's already got a busted spot on it though. Should be that eye piece next. Yep. This is much sturdier than the one I got from at home, but it does have a busted spot on it. Yeah, this is a quick, easy assembly. May need a little step stool just to see where that sits in on. Find that little piece there. There it is. Okay. On the last section of pipe, it does have this little screw-on piece. Just unscrew that, because that'll go on top of the last piece. There we go. And when you screw it on there, it'll actually tie them all together tight where they can't come apart. And there you have it. 8-foot obelisk from Home Depot. $169. You may have it replaced because of that broke piece, but there you go. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.